great job. I think they did an amazing job, don't you? Okay, so next up we have Stricken. They're one of our more like hardcore bands. Like they do the rock music and stuff like that. They're really good. And so, yeah, and this band includes Hunter Thompson, Amber Grace, Natalie Hall, excuse me, Zach Cheeseman, and yeah, so they're gonna blow your minds because they're an amazing band. And while we wait on them, I have a few jokes for y'all. So I'm gonna do a couple knock knock jokes because those are my favorite. So knock knock, control freak. Control freak is what you say next. You go control freak who? Control freak who? Hannah. Okay, well, now that I actually bring up Hannah, Hannah is one of our owners / instructors, and she's an amazing one. I had her for a couple months, and she's a really, really great instructor. I see you over there. I see you over there. You can.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Zach, I have a question for you.
What?
So, what else do you do at Jetway? Like, what do you do at Jetway?
I play music.
Oh, that's amazing.
No, I'm playing 2 tour bands, and I help out around the studio and help do some lessons when they need to fill in. So I do that.
All right. Well, that sounds great. I wish I could do that, but I'm not that good. Well, let's introduce up Stricken. Take it away, guys.